Hello friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. I am Rajendra Prasad. Today is 26th May. So how the trading today, and we'll discuss about tomorrow's trading, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and two stocks for intraday trading tomorrow, that is 27th. So before going to the Nifty chart, just go through the disclaimer. This is only for education purpose. There is no recommendation for buying or selling any stock or index or anything. So this is the Nifty chart. In couple of days, this zone is getting stiff resistance. The other, in my previous videos also, I explained about this big red candle and the consolidation in between this high and low of this candle. See, this zone 9140 and 9180 zone is giving stiff resistance to the Nifty going upside, and the good support is 8880 and 8800 zone. So this zone. So day after tomorrow is option monthly option expiry and monthly futures expiry. So I don't think tomorrow and day after tomorrow it may break these two, higher line and lower line. So most probably the expiry I am expecting around 9100 kind of levels. So that is my expectation, and as per data also I am getting the same levels, and that we'll see how the expiry will take place. So what happened today also, morning opened it higher and went into the zone and rejected by the zone and back. So if you see on a 15 minutes chart, what happened, you see this is the today, this is the open, a supply, price rejection in the supply and the drop. So this is our decent selling area. So that way we made a decent profit today also. So only I am following demand and supply. As per demand supply, this is the selling area. So that way we can make decent money. So for tomorrow's trade, how we have to trade? The same thing. This will give a decent supply tomorrow also. But only thing is there could be some volatility because the rollovers will take place tomorrow and day after. Today also some rollovers are taken, so that way some volatility. So we have to see tomorrow. This will act as still stiff resistance for the Nifty, and support may come here, this zone. So 8980 and 8970, this zone may get good support for the Nifty only for tomorrow, right? So based on this support and resistance, the demand and supply, that you can trade tomorrow. You can note down the levels. On the downside, 8980 and 8990 and 8970 demand, and the supply is at 8140 and 180. So that is the zones. You can note down, you can trade accordingly. I will see the Bank Nifty also, how we have to trade tomorrow. Yeah, Nifty Bank, right? So Nifty Bank. Yeah. See, this is the today candle. So very narrow range today comparatively previous days. So there is a consolidation happening in this zone because of the rollover and expiry coming, monthly expiry. So the trading for tomorrow, we have to see on 15 minutes. We'll see here. See here, there is no trade actually. If you see today, for tomorrow, I'll remove this. Okay, tomorrow the support will come here. This zone will give a decent support, 17,200 and 17,100, and the higher side this drop will give stiff resistance. Supply, this is the supply area. I'll draw once again. So this, so 17,780 and 17,700. This zone will give stiff resistance and this zone will give support. So in the resistance we have to sell, in the support we can buy. The simple technique, only you follow the demand supply and you can trade tomorrow. This is the Bank Nifty spot. Then we'll talk about two stocks for tomorrow trading, exclusively only intraday trading, not for position. Friends, cement sector is buzzing now. So a lot of activity in sectorial indices in cement, especially cement stocks are zooming. So for tomorrow's trade I selected JK Lakshmi. JK Lakshmi cement. See, if you see the chart of JK Lakshmi today, is a decent upside. This is with a good volume. So the potential of this stock may test at 250, 251. See, if you see the why it may test 250, I'll show you. So this is the entire fall from here to here. Now the fall is retracing, right? So from here, if you see here, it closed about 23.6% of this fall. So now the next retracement level is 251. So maybe couple of days, may not be tomorrow or maybe tomorrow itself it may test, but the high probability it may test 251 in coming days. So for only for tomorrow intraday trading, what we have to see is, we have to see in a smaller time frame. So this is my 15-minute chart. If you see today's price action, so opened here and went. So last half an hour it has given a decent bounce. So tomorrow for any reason, if it comes around 226 or 227 kind of level, I am going to buy here and keeping a stop loss here at 222 and aiming a price target of 238. This is the trade plan for JK Lakshmi Cement tomorrow. So one more stock I'll tell you. The other stock is Bharti Airtel because of the news today, big fall. So how we have to trade this? The demand is here. So 543.50 is the demand area, and the supply, this gap will act as supply. So this is the demand supply for Bharti Airtel. So we have to see how we have to trade tomorrow for intraday. So positionally, if you want to buy for positional trade, you can wait until the price comes to around 530, 540 kind of levels. So here, from here it may bounce to some extent. Now we'll see the Fibonacci ratios also. So this is the right. So it has already broken the 61.8% of this rally. So the retracement is below 61.8%. This bearishness may continue till this level. So what we have to do is we have to sell on rise. So for tomorrow, how we'll see, this is a Bharti Airtel. So first we'll remove all these things. Right. So this is so for tomorrow's trade, what we'll do is this is the probable target for tomorrow. So on the downside 543. So where we have to sell, see, this is the base area. So this is second one. Now there are two areas. This is the best area to sell for intraday. So 566 to 564. This zone we can enter. So our entry will be here. And the stop loss above this. So a small stop loss, and the target. So our target is just the zone 545. So this is the trade plan for Bharti Airtel only for tomorrow intraday purpose. If you want to buy positionally, wait until the price comes to around 535 or 540 kind of levels. That is the best place for taking some support, and from there it may bounce. So this is the Nifty, Bank Nifty and trade plan for two stocks, that is JK Lakshmi Cement and Bharti Airtel for tomorrow. And there is a news that Eicher Motors is going to be split. The split ratio and everything is not come in the news, but only thing is they are going to split it. So because of that, today the last hour the Eicher Motors also went up. You can see Eicher Motors. Yeah, this spike. So morning also the recent this spike last 1 hour time it went up. So there is a good news. It may split. After split there will be a huge liquidity in the stock. So there is a probability of we can buy here also, this one at 14,500 kind of levels, and keeping a stop loss below 14,450, and I can aim for the target of 15,000 or 15,500 maybe tomorrow or maybe 2-3 days time. So Eicher Motors also a good candidate for going long. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.